When a marriage starts to fester, the first step should always be to seek the advice and counseling of a mediator, counselor, pastor, priest, or trusted neutral friend. These solutions can hopefully preserve and strengthen the relationship and facilitate communication between you and your spouse, the lack of which is usually at the root of a marital dispute. North Carolina recognizes the importance of preserving the marriage relationship and requires a 1-year period of separation, living separately, before a legal civil divorce can occur. The rationale behind this rule is that our state wants to preserve the family unit. Because of TV, many people imagine divorce in the legal context as a messy battle in a gaudy courtroom where a judge has the control and makes all the decisions. Legal separation does not have to be this way. Spouses have the ability to enter into a separation agreement, a legally binding contract that gives them the control over how to divide assets and property. Spouses can also agree on how visitation with children will occur in a separation agreement. Before separating, it is important to know your rights with regard to separation and ease the emotionally charged nature of the separation. An attorney can often be a good person to talk to in preparation for a separation, including helping prepare a separation agreement. In a separation or divorce context, an attorney is only allowed to represent one spouse, not both. The attorney should make this clear if both spouses initially seek legal counseling together. If there is only one attorney involved in preparing a separation agreement, this can be a problem for the spouse who is not the client of that attorney. An attorney cannot give legal advice about the separation agreement to the unrepresented party. Moreover, the attorney has a legal duty to zealously represent the spouse in the relationship that has entered into an attorney-client relationship. Therefore, the unrepresented spouse should assume his or her interests are not being protected. Also, whatever the unrepresented spouse, let's assume the wife in this example, says during the joint meeting with her husband's attorney is not protected by the attorney-client privilege. Therefore, all statements made during that meeting by the wife could be brought up later by the husband's attorney. As a result, it is always a good idea for both spouses to seek legal representation, or at least have their own attorney look over the separation agreement. Again, a separation agreement is a legally binding contract that normally deals with the things that are of the utmost importance to us in life. Read the fine print. If you don't understand something that is contained in the separation agreement, you need to get legal advice and figure out what the language means.